This is Mr. Hoffman Ondieki, the Secretary General of the Kisii County Contractors Association. I would like to take this opportunity once again to thank the members of the Fourth Estate for hearing our call to come and support these members that you are seeing here in terms of giving the message to the public that indeed our members are suffering in terms of the payment of the pending bills in the current government of His Excellency Paul Simba Arati. I want to be very brief because my members are going to speak. We have our patron who is going to speak briefly and the head of chairman. I want to say this. I want to make the people of Kisii aware that the governor of Kisii County, Mheshimiwa Paul Simba Arati, came to the office instead of working for the people of Kisii by giving development to the people. He is doing politics. He is doing politics even to the critical things that are supposed to be important, are supposed to be close to his heart. Why am I saying this? Because the last time that he came, he had mounted TVs all over in all our sub-counties, telling the people how the contractors have not worked. He didn't understand which phases the contractors were doing those jobs, because there are some jobs that are done in phases. And once you finish the first phase, you are paid fully into completion. The completion certificate is prepared and you given your money. But he came and branketly told the people that contractors are not working. He has made contractors, he's just calling us ghost contractors. He came up with a bending bill committee that we want to tell him we are not going to recognize that committee. We do not recognize the committee that was chosen by Paul Simba Arati. We don't recognize that committee. Why are we not recognizing the committee? Because simple, number one, we understand what is happening. After finishing and doing the acrobatic that he was doing around and the gymnastics, the controller of budget requested Paul Simba Arati to give him legible and ineligible, as per the finding of the committee. He gives a report to the controller of budget. To date, he has not given that report. And he calls the report that is a personal thing. I want to tell my brother, Mheshimiwa Paul Simba Arati, my brother, the committee that you put in place used public taxpayers' money. Anything that has come out as a result of taxpayers' money is not a personal property. It is a property that is for the public. So I want to tell Paul Simba Arati, today we are giving you a notice. In 1 week's time, we want you to make that report public. Or else, as we have said, we are not recognizing that report and we are moving to court. We want to tell you that we want to move to court. We are issuing a demand note and we move to court.